Hello all and welcome to a quick overview on the new VDI enhancements coming to the CBC console this month. During the shift to remote work, there was increasing demand for secure work from home options. More people relied heavily on VDI to support their new reality. With that came the need to secure VDI in a comprehensive and integrated fashion. Carbon Black Cloud has addressed this need with enhancements in both the installation and configuration of VDIs, as well as UI enhancements for each use. Let's go into a quick demo to show the UI improvements we have made in the CBC console. The new VDI space is under the inventory, where clones are automatically placed. We can filter the clones as we do with workloads and endpoints using the new VDI specific facets. We have also introduced a new sidebar feature which contains details on the VDI and vCenter environments, as well as a new quick action area which recommends actions and allows us to act fast on the VDI clone. If I pivot into the parent image, you will see that we have now better visibility as users can see which parent created which VDI. The gold image has a new parent-child icon underneath it. In this area, we too have new facets which can be used to filter, as well as a sidebar. The sidebar here is very useful when looking into the clones created off the golden image, as well as the vulnerabilities on that specific workload. With addition to all this, we also have improved logging with registrations and re-registrations now recorded in the audit log. Let us look into how we have made improvements to the installation and configuration of VDI. Previously, when getting clones to re-register, we required an additional script to be run on the clone, re-registering it with the CBC Cloud. This script-based approach is now not required. Sensor registration is now based on the UUID of the clone, and old VDI sensors are pruned as per policy settings. This simplifies the entire registration, re-registration process. The major part of preparing the gold image is to run a one-time background scan on the image so that we can populate reputation for pre-existing files before rolling out the clones. Previously, this required us to run and monitor the background scan through the CLI. With the new release, we now monitor the status of the background scan through the Horizon deployment wizard, helping prevent misconfigurations when creating instant clone pools. With a big focus on VDI performance, we now can tune the configuration to make Reputation DB pruning less aggressive for better performance, giving admins the power to tune and tailor the solution based on their environmental needs with a focus on speed and performance. And with that, we have detailed the major improvements coming with the November CBC release. Thank you all for your time. I hope this has been useful, and subscribe for more helpful information on carbonblack.vmware.com.